In this video, I'm going to show you how I create colorful gradients on my background and get an image from this to this. The first thing you want to do is create a hue saturation layer. Click on the hand picker tool here and then click on the colors that you would like to change. Once you click on it, to view your selection, you increase the saturation layer and use this slider at the bottom to fine-tune your selection. Once you're done fine-tuning, you double click on the saturation layer, then use the hue slider to change to the new colors that you would like. Once you're done, select your gradient tool and make sure that you're on the mask of your hue and saturation layer and that your gradient is set to transparent or black to white. You click on one point of the image and drag to another point of the image, and that's it. Feel free to also use the hue saturation slider to change the color and see the difference live.